casa abajo. A la puerta del campo de fútbol hay dos coches debajo. Ese.
Heavy rains fell this Saturday in the Barcelona region, reaching more than 100 liters per square meter in the Baix Llobregat and Vallès Occidental regions. This water has significantly increased the flow of rivers and streams and caused flooding. Although so far there have been no injuries from the storm, the passing front brought heavy rain and in some places, strong winds, leaving unprecedented records, such as 26.1 liters per square meter in 5 minutes in Quar, Berguedà. Around midday and early afternoon, this front moved towards the coast and the coastline, leaving heavy rain in the regions of Anoia, Vallès Occidental and Oriental, Baix Llobregat, Barcelonès, and Maresme. The Mediocat service reported that its Castellbisbal station collected 95 liters per square meter, with a maximum intensity of 37.6 liters in 30 minutes. The storm, which also caused severe damage in several regions, began near Montserrat and swept across the Vallès Occidental, with significant electrical activity. Several storm surges were observed in coastal towns. According to the Catalan Water Agency, rain caused river flows such as the Ruby to exceed warning levels. The Papiol River, in Baix Llobregat, reached 155 cubic meters per second, compared to 0.5 cubic meters during the day. The Ripoll River, in the Montcada I Reixac section, also had a discharge of 43 cubic meters per second this afternoon. Water has also flooded several roads, basements and garages, and even some campsites. In Torrential de Montgrí, the El Delfín Verde campsite was flooded, and some campers reported waking up to knee-deep water. Water has also entered the basement of the Martorell Hospital.
¿Por ahí sabes si está bien?
The 112 emergency line had received 800 calls by the afternoon regarding 500 incidents caused by the rain. The storm also caused delays at El Prat Airport and some problems with the road network in Catalonia. Flooding rendered parts of the AP7 highway in the Barcelona region impassable, as did the N2 highway, hampering traffic in the afternoon. Other roads experienced partial closures in several lanes due to standing water, large pools of water, or landslides. The Deputy Director of Civil Protection, Imasol, has urged the public to exercise caution, especially in areas near rivers and streams, as the rainy season is expected to end tonight. Sol has urged special vigilance along the Llobregat and Besòs rivers. The president of the Generalitat, Salvador Illa, has also urged the public to heed the advice of authorities and exercise caution. In Besòs, access to the river park has been closed due to river flooding, especially at the mouth. Meteocat warns that heavy rain could return to southern Catalonia early Sunday morning, particularly in the Ebro Delta, with accumulations exceeding 20 liters per square meter in just half an hour. In response to this situation, the Catalan Meteorological Agency has issued a yellow warning. The weather forecast for the rest of Spain is for a sunny Sunday.
Madre mía, pero ¿qué es esto?
Heavy rain has forced the closure of the Catalan railways R5 line due to a landslide on the track between Martorell and Abrera stations in Barcelona. According to data from the Catalan Meteorological Agency, 2 powerful storms were recorded in northern Catalonia this morning. The storms moved rapidly from west to east, producing very heavy thunderstorms in a very short time, accompanied by hail and strong winds. Between 10 p.m. last night and 1:30 p.m. today, the fire department responded to 95 calls related to the storms. They recorded 66 calls in Girona, 26 in central Catalonia, 4 in the northern metropolitan area, 3 in Lleida, and 1 in the southern metropolitan area. Since around 10 p.m. last night and throughout today, emergency services have continued to receive calls related to incidents. This afternoon alone, they received nearly 1,000 reports. They even had to assist a family trapped in a car by the torrential floodwaters. Most of these calls were due to the accumulation of water, which resulted in flooded roads and lanes and several fallen trees.